In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a CSV file into HubSpot CRM, an essential skill for anyone looking to keep their contact database organized and up to date. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your HubSpot account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the HubSpot login page. Once there, enter your login credentials and sign in. If you're not sure about the login process, check out HubSpot's user guide for detailed instructions. Once logged in, head over to the main dashboard. On the top navbar, you'll find several options. Go ahead and click on the Contacts tab. This is where we'll be managing all contact-related data. HubSpot's contact management feature is your go-to spot for organizing information related to leads and clients. After clicking on Contacts, now look towards the top right of the screen and you'll see an Import button. Click on it to proceed. Clicking Import will take you to a new screen that provides several import options. For our purpose today, we want to focus on importing a spreadsheet. So go ahead and click the Import a Spreadsheet link. Keep in mind, HubSpot supports different types of imports, but for CSV files, this is your best route. Now you'll see a prompt asking you to choose a file. Click on the Choose a File button, and a window will pop up, allowing you to browse your computer for the specific CSV file you want to import. Make sure your CSV file is prepped and formatted correctly to avoid any import errors. Once you've located your file on your computer, select it. You'll see the file name appear next to the Choose a File button, indicating that it's ready for import. After selecting your file, go ahead and click the Next button to move forward. Here, HubSpot will guide you through a brief process to map the columns in your CSV file to HubSpot properties. Proper mapping ensures that all your data is imported correctly to the appropriate fields in HubSpot, so take a minute to review these mappings. If something seems off, you can adjust the settings to ensure each piece of information lands where it should. Once you've confirmed that everything is set up correctly, proceed by clicking the Next button yet again. HubSpot will display a summary of your import settings. Double-check everything to ensure there are no errors. When ready, hit the final Import button to initiate the process. And there you have it. Your contacts are now being imported into HubSpot CRM. It may take a few moments for the process to complete, depending on the size of your file. While you're waiting, HubSpot allows you to continue with other tasks so you can utilize your time efficiently. Once the import is done, review your newly imported contacts under the Contacts tab to ensure everything uploaded correctly. That's it, folks. You've successfully imported your contact data, making it easy to manage your relationships directly within HubSpot. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.